Are you looking to change location on iPhone but not sure how? Stick around and I'll break it down for you. Oh, and before you dive in, remember to hit that subscribe button, it's easy to forget. Changing your iPhone location can unlock some features or possibilities. Here are some reasons why someone want to change location on iPhone. The first reason is to bypass restrictions. Want to watch dramas in different countries or regions on Netflix? Hope to play games like Pokemon Go, Mobile Legends, etc., but they are unavailable in your country. Faking your iPhone location is necessary. Next, global companies often offer different prices to different countries for the same products or services, like hotel bookings and airline tickets. Changing location can help you save money to order something. Finally, changing location on your iPhone is a good way to protect your privacy, make your online experience more secure, and avoid to be hacked on your device. There are two primary methods to change your location on an iPhone: by manipulating GPS location or IP location. Let's talk about faking GPS location first. If your iPhone is jailbroken, you can fake your location freely. But here is a question: do I need to jailbreak my iPhone just for changing location? As we all know, after jailbreaking, your iPhone cannot update automatically, could result in bricking, will be more vulnerable to malicious apps and virus, etc. The only way to change GPS location on iPhone without jailbreak is to find some third-party tools. Search in Google, you will get some recommendations. Choose one to download. Please note, most of work tools are paid software. If you're looking to change your location on iPhone without jailbreaking, trying your IP address using a VPN is a good way. Let me walk you through using a VPN like UFO VPN to change your iPhone location simply. Go to UFO VPN website or App Store to download it, then launch VPN on your iPhone. Select location and server as you need, tap on Connect and done. After connecting VPN, your online journey will be encrypted and protect your personal data from hacking, and you can enjoy your gaming, streaming, and browsing in the region that you connected. Finally, we will show you 2 tips to change location on iPhone manually. The first way is simple. Go to Settings to find General. Tap on Language and Region. Head to Region. Choose one as you need. Then, it will ask you if you also want to change iPhone language. Choose as you need and done. The second way is to change Apple ID location. Launch App Store on your iPhone. Tap on Profile icon. Next, tap on your Apple ID. Go to Country and Region option. It will show change country or region. Then, choose one and accept the new terms and conditions. Finally, fill the billing information to save. That's all. Hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to get more tips. See you next time.